A useful troubleshooting tool in Hive Manager NG is the remote ping. To use a remote ping, in the GUI you go to Tools, Utilities, Device Diagnostics. Then simply choose your device, such as this AP, and click Diagnostics. And then click Ping. Now, this is not Hive Manager NG pinging your AP. It's actually a command being sent to the management interface of the access point. To begin with, the access point pings itself, its own management IP interface. But now you can send the command to the AP for a remote ping. Let's see if the AP can reach Google's DNS server. And it can. Why is this a useful diagnostic tool? It's a great way to make sure your managed devices can reach internal and external servers.